guys, so I'm here in LA with SEPHORA. They've actually flown me over here for their brand new beauty event. It's called SEPHORiA. I'm in a hotel right now and I thought I would just like film and get ready with me. I brought my camera and everything with me so I could show you guys like my look for my meetup. I'm doing a meetup tonight. I'm so excited. I'm actually gonna put some footage at the end of this video of like my meetup and just show you kind of like what SEPHORiA is. I said on Instagram that I was gonna be doing like a meetup at SEPHORiA and heaps of you guys were like, oh, well, what is that? So basically what SEPHORiA is it's like this really exciting beauty event. I went to the VIP party the other night. I'll put some footage in the second half of this video of that as well if you are curious to see what we got up to. It's basically, yeah, just like a beauty wonderland. There are so many different booths for different brands. Like you've got your Huda Beauty, your Tarte, Jo Malone, Charlotte Tilbury. There's all these different brands from SEPHORA and they've all done these amazing booths with like products and samples and like amazing photo experiences. Like it was just so much fun. The venue was amazing and like the music, the atmosphere, like so much fun. So if you guys like missed out this time around, please make sure you come to the next event. I really hope I can come again because it's just honestly like incredible. If you love makeup and you love beauty and skincare and foundation and stuff, like you need to come. They even had this space where they like lined up all of the foundations in a row. It was just like incredible to see all of the shades and all of the different foundation brands, and there's even opportunities to create customized beauty products. There are also masterclasses, so heaps of professional makeup artists are there. Like Natasha Denona is there, Makeup by Mario. Like I'm so hyped, sharing their secrets and beauty. So I'm hoping I can catch one tonight. I am at session 4. It's like the after dark party. I cannot wait to show you guys the footage. Again, it'll be at the end of this video. I haven't even been there yet and I'm so excited, and I'll be vlogging it as well for you guys and Snapchatting and Instagramming. So yeah, I haven't actually done my hair and outfit yet. I'll be putting a picture up of that on my Instagram, and also obviously you'll see it at the end of this video. So if you want to see how I did all of my makeup and if you want to see like a little sneak peek of SEPHORiA and see what it's all about, just stay tuned. So I got these in one of my little SEPHORA, like, what would you call it, like goodie bags, I guess. And I thought it was a perfect time to try them because I'm a little bit tired, a little bit jet lagged. So this says, tight eyes, slap on a pair of patches, 15 minutes, peace out, puffy eyes, which is like life goals right now. They're by Peace Out Skincare. So obviously you can get this from SEPHORA, and everything I'm using today in this video you can buy off SEPHORA as well. So you're supposed to peel them. This is what they look like once you peel them off. Sorry about my bad fake tan hands. And I have no idea what I'm wearing today yet, so while we do the eye makeup, I'm just gonna do something like soft glam, I think. Something that'll look nice in photos for my meet and greet today, but you know, nothing too colorful because yeah, I don't know what I'm wearing. I think I'm probably just gonna wear like black or white, but I don't know. So I need eye makeup that's just gonna like work with whatever, you feel me? So I'll start with my eye makeup. So I'm first just gonna take my Smashbox lid primer, which is one of my all-time favorites, and I love this one because it like evens out all of the redness on my eyelids. I've got very thin eyelids and you can see like all of the veins. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use today is the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession. I love these little palettes. They're so good for travel, and of course right now I'm over in the USA, so these are just like so nice to take with you in your like travel makeup bags. They're so tiny, and this particular color selection I'm just like all about lately. So I'm going to start out with the very center color right here on a nice big fluffy blender brush, and I'm just going to first like kind of pat that into the crease like on top of the primer, and then once I've like patted in, I'm just taking some more. I'm just gonna buff it, and it's so close to my own skin tone that it doesn't matter too much. It's kind of like a transition shade. I've actually been using this like every single day I've been here. These feel so good, by the way. I'm like impressed. They feel very hydrating and cooling. So now I've got the transition shade down. Look how tan my chest is, by the way. I'm going to take, which color? I think I might actually mix these two shades together. This one is incredible. I love it. I just kind of like want somewhere in between, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm going to go over that same area. And I'm just making sure like all of the edges are really well blended because like I said, I just want this to be like a soft glam look today. Next up, let's do a shimmer. I don't know which one I want to do. There's like some nice bronzes and golds and stuff. This one's like a little bit more cool tone, which I kind of like. It's almost like a duochrome kind of. I don't know. Look how pretty that is. I'm really like kind of buffing it into like almost the crease just so that everything fades really nicely into each other. I'm just using another little blendy brush to make sure there's no harsh edges. I'm just going to take the darkest color in the corner and I'm going to add a little bit to my outer corner. And there's no highlight shade in here. So I'm going to use my highlighter, which I bought today actually. I went shopping at Sephora earlier. I couldn't help myself. I love Sephora so much. I got a new limited edition highlighter and I thought right now would be the perfect time to try it out. It looks so pretty. And then when I was checking out, the girl at the counter was like, that's what I'm wearing right now. And I was like, holy crap, it looks so good. Okay, my under eye area feels so freaking good right now. So the primer I've been obsessed with lately is this one by Becca. I really need to film a new favorites of the month video because I've got a lot of new favorites. This is the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and I've taken this to the UK with me, to Europe with me, and now it's in the USA with me. It's purple, so it helps to kind of like brighten your skin, and it's just so hydrating. It's like just so luxurious when you put it on. My Holy Grail foundation, I always travel with 2 shades so that I can like mix them together to get my perfect shade, but I do have a fresh fake tan on right now, so I'm going to use the darker shade, which is Punjab, and this is the NARS Natural Radiance foundation. This is my current Holy Grail foundation. It's like so freaking good. I met some subscribers like a few days ago. Me and Hamish were shopping and they said, what foundation are you using? Like, your skin is so flawless in real life. I was like, this. What I love about this foundation as well is it's so thin, but it gives you like such good coverage. It just like doesn't feel like anything on your skin. And then to conceal, this is another Holy Grail product of mine, like you guys already know. This is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and I like to use the shade Vanilla into my eyes. It's just like a little full coverage pot concealer by NARS, and I really should buy another one of these while I'm over here because it is so freaking good. I've actually already gone through pretty much another whole one of these because I do genuinely use it pretty much every single day, at least every time I wear makeup, you know, like you just appreciate the difference. It's so good. Next, to set under my eyes, you guys know this thing's filthy because it comes everywhere with me. Summer Best Bare Minerals. I love this stuff. I usually use this shade when I have fake tan on, and then if I've got no fake tan on, I'll use Well Rested, which is just as good. I'm using this highlight and contour brush by Sephora. I just like kind of pat that straight on top of my concealer. It sets it, and it also helps to kind of add a little bit more coverage without making it look cakey, you know. And then on the rest of my face, my favorite Cover FX Pressed Mineral Foundation. So I'm just going to kind of like pat it on, I guess, like just over my entire face. Okay, now that my base is on, I'm just going to go back to my eye makeup and finish all of that off, do my eyebrows as well because I feel like they're looking very dusty. I'm going to use my Holy Grail brow pomade. This is Cabral by Benefit. It is the bomb. What I like about this product is it is quite buildable, so I kind of use quite a bit on my brush and just brush it through, and if you want a more natural look, you just use like less. It's very buildable. And then just to finish off my eyebrows, I'm going to take my Gimme Brow by Benefit, which is another favorite for sure. So for my eyeliner and my mascara, I'm going to do it off camera because I'm going to like go down too far and you won't be able to see what I'm doing. It's such a different setup from like obviously being at home in my filming room. So I'm going to be using my Tarte Man Eater eyeliner. I've been loving this lately. And then I'm going to use my Benefit Roller Lash mascara, which is one of my all-time favorites, and we'll come back and do some lashes. So in my little bag of goodies today, I bought some new lashes to try because I was just browsing. You know how it goes in Sephora, you're just browsing and you end up coming out with like 8 extra things than you were supposed to buy. I feel like kind of using these ones, like they're so pretty and kind of flared out, and I think they'll look really pretty with this look. Natural Volume Lash by Sephora Collection in the shade, or in the style Fringe 04. Oh, those are so pretty. So the contour I actually brought is a bronzer, but it's quite a good contour shade too. So this is Hoola by Benefit, and it's a little mini one. Like, how cute is it? I'm just gonna put that under my cheekbones. And I also like to put some down my nose just to kind of warm up the center of my face, and I'll put some around my temples as well. For my blush, I love this one. This is called Indecent by Urban Decay. It is the most perfect like peachy natural shade. Like, it goes with pretty much any makeup look. I'm gonna use this angled blush brush. Now for the part I'm pretty much most excited about today. Highlighter I just bought. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. By Givenchy. You guys know how much I freaking love Givenchy face products, especially their Healthy Glow face powder slash bronzer. You can get it at Sephora as well. It is a very similar packaging. I think this might be limited edition. It kind of looked like it was limited edition on the stand. I got this shade called O2 Shimmery Gold. How stunning this is. That is just like, oh, I'm just applying that to the very top part. So stunning. It's like the perfect light gold kind of color on my skin tone, and also like the tip of my nose. I just want to spritz over some setting spray. This is like one of my current favorites. You guys might have seen it in my Urban Decay video recently when I tried out all of the cherry collection. So this is the cherry scented setting spray. Normally I hate cherry scent, but this smells so fruity and clean and fresh. I love it. Helps to like kind of soak up all the excess powders on my skin and just melt it all in, and it makes it last all day long. On my lips, I did actually buy a couple of like new products. I don't really know what I'm going to use. So the lip line I'm going to today, Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in 1993. The Sephora lip color I chose is the shade 66, and it is the cream lip stain. I like to swatch heaps on my hands, but this one was my favorite one. It's kind of just like a nice nude, like a brownish beige nude. And then just because I felt like having a little bit of a glossy moment to the VIP party, I wore like a clear gloss, and I just really liked the way my lips looked, quite glossy. So I wanted to get another one for tonight. This one is in the shade Dolly, the full on lip polish by Buxom. So that's my makeup for tonight. I'm like, what time is it? I don't even know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of footage from tonight in the next part of this video, and I'll also have like a full vlog up really soon on my vlog channel as well if you want to see some more behind the scenes and just some more footage of my trip here in LA. So I'm just about to leave. I just changed my lipstick to this shade called Coachella Coral by Charlotte Tilbury because I just feel like it brightened up my look, because I decided to go with this like light cream colored dress. Off we go to the event. I hope you guys enjoy the footage.